How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Booking.com support. Now open up the first website. Now tap on Go to Help Center. Now you can either call them or send them a message. Now to send them a message, you have to sign into your account. Tap on Sign In. So after signing in, you will be able to send message to their customer support. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.